Hey guys, today we'll be painting a small bird using watercolors, so I hope you enjoy. So I begin with a light sketch of the body. I focus more on the form and not too much on the detail. Good, now that the sketch is done, I continue with the watercolors. I begin with a light wash covering the entire bird. Good, now I continue with the reds and darker browns to show some detail. Now I start with a darker brown that I created by mixing some burnt umber with ivory black. I am using Sakura Koi watercolors if anybody's wondering. The 24 pack comes with this brush pen that I'm using as well. Now I lighten ivory black and make some final details. Now for the background, I use a mixture of yellow green and olive green. I create the splashing effect by loading up the paper with water and paint and blowing on it. Now that I'm done with the watercolor, I'm going to work on some fine detailing with my Pigma Micron pen. I'm using a size 0.5. I want to show some of the fuzziness in the feathers as well as some extra shadows and things I might have missed. Now I continue showing highlights with my white jelly roll pen. Finally, some final details and we are finished. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you might enjoy this other video where I show you how to illustrate feathers using watercolors. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.